Hey everybody, welcome back to Nico Brothers. We're over here working on the RV, getting this thing done because Ivan's going camping tomorrow on it. So yeah, it looks pretty crazy, but hopefully by tomorrow night, you're going, Ivan? Or
no, tomorrow afternoon.
Tomorrow afternoon. So the deadline is coming up really soon, so still a lot of work ahead of us. We kind of skip forward the whole taping, sanding, prepping, so you're basically ready to spray, Ivan, right?
Ready to spray, so we're doing single stage, which is a little bit faster. It'll dry faster.
Yeah,
and it's kind of what it had on there.
Yeah, most campers, RVs, whatever, have single stage paint on there anyway, so that definitely should move a lot quicker because you don't have to wait between the coats, the clear coat, all that fun stuff.
It dries faster. So like 2 coats of single stage and it's done. You know, but we're still gonna put sealer on it. Get 2 coats of sealer, so it's gonna be nice things and match a lot blend a lot better. But it should be done quick. It's got the clear and the paint together, single stage.
Dang, so what a huge project, what a transformation from before to after, and what a deadline. Definitely moving quick and getting it done. But you're going to Tennessee, I think anchored down, and they require you to have some pads on your level jack, so we're definitely gonna do that too before you head out, Ivan. Snap pad, we're gonna get some of those going. Man, a lot of work up ahead of us on this RV, but once we get there, you definitely wanna cut down on setup time, and with Snap Pad, that's exactly what it does. It makes it a one-man job. You don't have to worry about the position of the pads, because you definitely want to protect that concrete, and some campgrounds won't even let you settle your leveling jacks without the pads. So introducing Snap Pad. Alright guys, just like that, the snap pads are on and this thing's moving forward. Time to go camping. Make sure you have some snap pads for your RV. Check out the link down below and save 10% off with Nico 10. Thanks guys, let's get it going. But yeah, we'll get those plugged in as soon as we get this painted. So make sure to get that all taken care of so don't damage anything. But a lot of work ahead of ourselves. Let's go ahead and get this thing painted and knocked out.
All right, and just like that, we got 2 coats of sealer on this thing. We're gonna let this flash for about 20 minutes, and then we'll be ready for our single stage. Single stage, pretty much like the final coat. We're gonna put 2 wet coats of this color on here, and when it dries, it's gonna be glossy with a little bit of a, I guess, a flat finish, which will match, but it's gonna look good. So we got this side with this side, and you know, just a little bit overspray, but nothing crazy. So we're gonna let it tack cloth this thing, and also I am painting the drawers on the other side in the paint booth, so we have nothing else. We got a painting here. It's gonna turn out a little bit nicer. So we got these 2 drawers and then the battery drawer, which actually finally came in, so pretty excited. Let's go ahead and put 2 coats of the base coat, clear coat, single stage, and we will be done. So let's get to it. All right, so just like that, we got 3 coats of this single stage. And you can see this, there's a shine to it. So we put it on really thick, waited a couple minutes, definitely like 20 minutes between flashing, between the coats and everything. It's definitely getting dark. The sun is going down and we need this to dry. So I'm gonna turn on the fans, let it kind of dry and flash a little bit faster because we gotta put this thing together. So probably wait a little bit longer and then we're gonna untape this thing and maybe work on the inside because there's a couple things we gotta fix on it. Alright guys, so it's actually the next day and I didn't record anything because I just got straight to work and got this thing knocked out. So we got the front visor in there, we got the little bracket all bent up, we got some of the headlights. We're still missing the high beam, but we got that on order. We don't need high beams where we're going. Yeah. We're going to drive there in a day. We got turn signals, fog lights, we'll do that later. We got the mirror installed on the other side. So far this side's looking good. Look, the steps are working.
We're working.
We're working. Hold on, let's switch. There it is.
There it is.
But so far it's looking good. We're gonna go for a first test drive. We'll fill it up with AC. The transmission cooler I had to put on aftermarket. We'll show you guys that later. The AC is gonna be filled up. The coolant has coolant fluid in it instead of just water, so I flushed that. So I'm pretty much ready to hit the road. All the tires are looking good, and it's been a long time coming. So let's go ahead and maybe hit the road, and then we'll check out the interior. Because the interior I kind of cleaned up a little bit really quick, and go from there. Because I'm ready to leave. I'm ready to enjoy Lake Day.
Oh yes.
Well, let's hit the road. All right, guys. So we are driving. No crazy noises. Got my seatbelt on. Shifting gears. No check engine light. It's exciting for our first test drive. Oh man, and the steering wheel's kind of straight. Look at that. I mean, that's pretty close for not having a steering wheel adjustment. I just threw it by eye. We're gonna see if it pulls, but so far, what, 25 miles an hour? It's driving. There we go. And the transmission, I put those big coolers. It's not even like warmed up yet. No. All right, let's hit the highway. Alright, so just like that, we got to Camping World. We got the propane filled up. We're definitely gonna have to change out that rim because I guess from the accident it got hit. I didn't think it was gonna be that bad, but it's pretty bad. As you guys saw, it's spinning because we got some nice access to the underneath of this thing. So let's go ahead, go back to the shop, put the other wheel on there because we have the other spare wheels off the other burnt RV we had. And then we'll go for another test drive and hopefully we won't get any vibration because we gotta hit the road. It's already, time's clicking, so let's go. All right, guys, so just like that, we made it. Let's get this thing parked up and hooked up. All right, guys, it's actually the next morning. The camper did good. We got here, we got it pretty late, and we're ready to enjoy a couple days off here at the lake. Leave us a comment down below, and we'll catch you guys next time.